Converting a Word file into an Excel sheet can significantly enhance data analysis and presentation. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Start by opening the Microsoft Word document that contains the data you need to convert. Save the document. Select File and then choose Save As. Pick a name for your file and specify the location for saving the document. Select Plain Text or Text Document from the drop-down menu of file formats. Then simply click Save at this stage. A text wizard dialog box will appear. Select some options and click OK. Open Microsoft Excel. Then access the Data tab at the top of the screen. Within the Data tab, a menu will emerge. Opt for Get and Transform Data, and then From Text, CSV. This step will prompt File Explorer to open. Locate and pick the Word document saved earlier, and click Import. Make adjustments to your data. Now you can modify your data as needed. Once you select the Word file type, Excel's Text Import Wizard opens. The dialog box will include the Delimiter tab, allowing you to easily change the character that separates your data in the spreadsheet, such as a comma or a space. After setting your delimiters and previewing your data to ensure it's correct, click Load to import your data into Excel. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.